developed. Uh, but for my wife, she only takes Instagumide. Uh, she doesn't use any supplements as of now. Fortunately, she's healthy enough. But yes, that's it from my family.
Okay.
Very interesting question.
Sir, very important question. Do supplements have to go through clinical trials similar to drugs?
Uh, See, supplements are basically, these are all food supplements. And food supplements are not, you're not, it's not a drug specifically. But if it is to be consumed as a, what you say, drug part of it, for example, uh, if it is to be tried and tested to understand, for example, for B12, what we are using currently, even though it is a, for us manufacturing it is as a supplement, but KM Hospital or Kent University, they are trying to show the inference that B12 can really reduce what you say. Uh, B12 is the reason for diabetes. Means what they have found, they are doing this research for last 30 years. Uh, they found the inference that if the mother to be, if she is B12 deficient, then the child born to her is likely to have diabetes. So this is the inference that they have proved. And for the same reason, they have developed this B12 bar, which is from a vegan. Now, this is there's a algae that they have developed. So even though for us manufacturing that product is comes under the food supplement. So for manufacturing, we don't need any FDA or other requirements. Only FSSI registration is enough for us. But for them to prove that there is a direct inference between B12 and they're using it, they are taking the what you say, taking the blood samples, testing the B12, giving to the community for 30 days, again testing the B12. Then it comes under the clinical trial, and then only basically. But even in that case, FDA is not involved into this. This is on the clinical trials are required to find some inference part of it, but uh, clinical trials are not necessarily required for the if it is already done. For example, what we have done is this glutamine, vitamin C, zinc. We are using this combination. So then the clinical trials are not required, which is already done on an individual element. So there is no need for doing one more clinical trial for testing the combination of them. But yes, to show some inference, clinical trials are recommended in certain areas, certain ages.
Okay. Sir, how long one should take these supplements and in how much time we start to see some of the results?
Again, a good question. How long? Uh, so basically, it all depends upon for what reason you are taking the supplement. As I mentioned, supplements are supplementary. You need to understand that for what reason I am taking this supplement. If you are into sports person, then you need to take the supplement till the time you are training, till the time you are into active sports. If you are taking this for the rehabilitation part of it, if you are taking the rehabilitation supplement, then it is only up to the time when you are again you're completely rehabilitated. So that is one area. So another so few supplements are basically to what to say, for a wellness part of it. You have undergone certain surgeries or otherwise, and the doctor has prescribed that you need to, you know, have some protein or calcium supplement. So it may be for 2 months or 3 months. There is no need to continue thereafter if you're not into active sport. So it all depends upon what reason that you're taking this supplement. The duration will depend upon the reason that you're using and started this supplement. So it can go from maybe few weeks to few years, I would say. And what was the balance part of this? Balance part of question?
Sir, ki how
How much
much in how much
time you
time
can
we
see the
start
result?
seeing the difference? Yeah.
See results again. Few results which can be seen within 24 hours. For example, if I'm into sports person and I'm taking some what you call it neutral infra charge, which is nothing but a combination of uh, maltodextrin, and fructose and similar sugars. Now that this product is meant for faster recovery during your training part. So if I'm training now and able to take the supplement sip by sip, I can see the result there and there itself because of my that energy is getting provided throughout my training part of it. If you look at the protein part of it, protein supplement, you can feel some difference, like recovery part. I am training, my muscle got damaged or during my training part of it. I am taking protein supplement for the fast what is recovery part of it. So I get muscle recovery. I can train with the same intensity next day. So this can be seen in 1 or 2 days. But if I am taking that protein supplement to see that my whether my muscle mass is getting increased or not, I need to take the supplement at least for 90 days. Then only I will be able to see the drastic change in my muscle mass. So there are certain results which can be shown in a very short span of time. There are certain results which will take some more time to show.
Okay. Sir, there has been a question which has been asked twice. Is
Yeah.
there any supplements in particular for people with weak gastrointestinal system?
Uh, I think yes, specifically with weak gastrointestinal system means you have a absorption is a major issue uh, during this when we take the weak gastrointestinal system. So we need to have a protein which are pre-digested or which requires minimum energy to absorb that part. So for this specific, I would recommend to go for whey isolate. Even though you are not into sports person or whether you are not into the generally whey isolates are recommended for high intensity workout only. But particularly with this reason, rather than having soya proteins or egg proteins or otherwise, soya isolate, whey isolate would be preferred supplements for such kind of weak gastrointestinal system.
Okay. Sir, last question for today. I think we'll take the last question. Can you please shed light on the referral system and how the supplements can be allotted and further aspects?
Yeah, again, very good question. So referral process will be basically Ask Physio will be the what you say will be keeping the stock of it, and we will have the referral uh, code to every individual. So even if somebody calls and try to, because normally we need to provide the company's contact information, and the contact informations are available also on website. So there might be some cases that your patients or whoever is there would like to call the company and ask about the details about the product and the pricing. We have a normal practice of providing only MRP. First of all, we don't give information, but if you still insist, then only the MRPs are disclosed to the end user. And referral system, we work as we have the individual referral number, which will be unique for each one of one, each one of you. And once we get this, number, then it will be recorded, and the settlement can be done on monthly basis. That's how it works.
Okay. Sir, last question for today and very interesting question.
Yeah.
When we are starting the short certification courses for the deeper insight and to kickstart this process?
Very soon, actually, we have started working on this project. To have the the certification courses. I think Prerak, you can guide us that which is the area that we want to start first, because physiotherapy, as I understand, works in different areas, and we need to have a different module for different specialty kind of thing. One can be for clinical, one can be for sports, one can be for maybe for female only, one can be for pediatrics, so on and so forth. So you have to guide me that which is the specific area that you're looking for, Based on that, we will try to have the experts, and we will start. I think in next 15 days we should be announcing the days, dates, and the duration part of it.
Okay.
We already started working, but it has needs to be fine tuned depending upon the speciality of it.
Okay, great, sir. Great. I think
Yeah,
that is everything from our side. We
yeah,
don't think we have further questions, but it was actually a very interesting and a very learning session, because so many questions our physiotherapy community has, and the
yeah.
most important question, sir, यही रहता है कि from where to start. We
Okay,
know that we can start, but from where to start, that is something nobody answers us. So
okay.
I'm very much sure कि sir जो आज का interesting ये session था, it was very interesting. And now you have already announced about the referral structure, and you have already announced that certification course भी होगा. तो सर,
Yes,
I'm sure कि we will be, there will be a lot of learning, and I'm sure कि हम बहुत सारी चीजें सीखने के बाद हम inculcate कर पाएंगे अपनी practice में, once we have the technical know-how.
sure.
So sir, it was very nice,
And
and yeah.
last but not the least, I think to the entire the group which is present today, I again want to repeat that we really want to compliment your efforts, the sincere effort that you are putting day in and day out for your patients, for your sports person. We are just complimenting in a bit by providing a systematic or a very appropriate supplementation part to your and to support your efforts. I think you can rely on us, and it's 100%. We are quite sure that we will be able to support your cause and to fight, together for the Fit India movement and under the umbrella of Make in India. Thank you so much. Thanks, Prerak and Shraddha, for giving me this opportunity.
थैंक यू
Thank you
सर,
so
एंड
much.
इट वाज वेरी नाइस ऑफ यू टू टेक आउट टाइम, एंड आपने हमारी बहुत सारी क्वेरीज जो थी सॉल्व करी. सर, वन मोर थिंग, ऑल
Yeah,
दीज प्रोडक्ट लिस्ट एंड एवरीथिंग, कैन यू
yeah,
प्लीज शेयर विद अस ऑल द रिसर्च
I will
पेपर्स,
do that.
so
I
at
will
least
do
our
that.
team can have a good look, and then
Certainly,
definitely they can take it ahead.
certainly will do.
Sure.
Sure.
Thank you, sir.
Sure.
Thank you for your
Thank you
time.
so much.
Please take
Thank
care,
you.
sir. Sure.
Yeah. Have a great evening.
You too, sir.